Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today, Hans and I are filming this plan with me using this beautiful llama kit. It's so colorful. This is glossy also because we are going to be using our fountain pen. So if you want to know what my fountain pen looks like, that's clearly not on my personal planner, then stay tuned. So this planner, if anyone is wondering, is from National Bookstore. It costs 419 pesos only. That's less than $10. And it's a decent starter kit. Not kit, starter planner for anyone who's interested. As always, we will start with our side strips, side washi, side stickers. Basically, that sticker thing that you use on the edge of your page. Here I am putting down the second one on the right page, and I was making sure that the colors were aligned, and then you realize that any which way the colors will be aligned. So right there, I just punched holes on my sides, the sides of my pages. There we go. Okay, so today I am trying to do my voiceover in one go, see how that works. Is it gonna be more fluid? Is it gonna be messy and hard to listen to? We'll see. So I put down a today sticker under the this week header just because I did not want a green header and then another green header, but it doesn't really make sense when you read it. It makes zero sense. In any case, so what I do is I place my header and then a half box, either a half box or an ombre half box. And I just alternate between those two types of half boxes. Let's say half box one more time, half box. So for this spread, I am putting all my to-dos or major to-dos for every day of the week on one side. So they are all going on the left side of the page. All right. And then as you will see, Hans is putting down Saturday and Sunday. Okay. Hans hadn't messed up this entire time, so good job, Hans. Please hit the like button if you support Hans, because she's doing pretty well. Good job. And now Hans is putting down that big full box. Well, it's a full box, and that would be this week's to-do list. On the next page, that will have all the notes, trackers. Speaking of trackers, I'm putting it down right now. Some littles, all the other things, and a whole bunch of deco. They all go on one side. Wow, OCD. Oh, no, I'm not OCD. All right, so the moment you've been waiting for, me with my fountain pen. I'm sorry, it's a little dirty. It's a Pilot Metropolitan F nib. I'm using the ink Stormy Gray. You can just Google that up if you're interested. It's not clear here, but it actually has gold glitter within it. So it's pretty. It's really pretty, and it's one of my favorite inks ever. I'll make a video about inks later in life. And if you have any requests, feel free to write down on the comments below. So here you go. So you can see it's very easy to write on the glossy sticker paper that I am using here. There will be an option for glossy stickers from now on in my shop. So if you're a fountain pen user like me, I'm a fountain pen nut now, I don't know how that happened, then go ahead and get yourself that fountain pen friendly sticker paper. So here, if you notice, I've suddenly decorated half the page out of nowhere because I do not know where the footage went. And what I'm doing here is, what Hans is doing is that we are cutting up that full box just enough to cover that white space. As I've mentioned before, I don't like white spaces, and that is what's happening there. And then Hans decided to get creative and cut up this heart checklist flag and put it on there. So you can see we cannot cut straight to save our lives. I'm also cutting up that strip, putting down that strip rather, and writing down personal to do. Wow, I remember because I just looked at it. So it's just a reminder to do nails and other beauty related things, because I want to focus on me being pretty, as that makes me happy. Right, another lost footage happened, and I just put down a few stickers, including the weekend banner, and now we're going back to the left page where I used my Craft Trina stickers. I really love her shop. She's a good friend on IG. She is on Etsy and Shopee. Once again, she is Craft Trina. You can see her logo right there. My favorite icons of hers are Mimi-chan and Coco-chan. I do have the others. I mean, I love her stickers, so I'll take anything she draws. She hand draws them, by the way, so you can't find these anywhere else. So here I'm filling out my week. Wednesday is class day, so is Friday. Right hands, yep. Yeah, okay. Say class day. Yeah, well, okay then. Hans is being rebellious. Right. And then on Saturday, I think we are doing something. By we, I mean me and my boyfriend. We're going out to do something. It's nothing crazy. We old. We can't do crazy stuff no more. We're too tired. Right. But Thursday is an exciting day. Look at how excited Coco-chan is, because it is new releases day. And likely this video is late, so new releases would have already happened. Okay, so I think I'm focusing on the to-do box, and Hans decided to place that full checklist again. That's no good. Yeah. Okay, now Hans appears to have abandoned that checklist, thank goodness, because it doesn't really do much. And it's just writing down the to-dos. Pujo's... What? Yeah, I know, Hans, what you do? Oh, okay. So Hans just messed up that board that we are using to film with black stormy gray ink, and we are just putting paper over it because, you know, we poor and we lazy. Alright, so Hans have finished. Ooh, so we exercised on Monday. Good job, us. Clearly, we didn't exercise on Tuesday because we're filming this video. See what I do for you guys? Yep. Are we finished, Hans? Where's my thumbs up? Okay, so Hans just forgot to thumbs up, and we're putting back our pages. Now here, I want to use that clip I'm holding, but I don't want the page to be bent, so I'm putting that sticker behind it. And what the? Hey, get out of there! Get out of there! Hans, get the cat out! Thank you for watching, everybody. I hope that you enjoyed watching this Plan With Me video. Make sure to subscribe and thumbs up if you want more planning videos from this channel. We promise to be a little better with our posting schedule, especially with our exposure, because last time we kind of messed that up. Totally my fault. But of course, if you really love us, buy our stuff at paperjoyph.com. You have a good one. Bye-bye!